Innovation's at the heart of everything that we do. We want to make customers successful. We want to look at exactly their needs and requirements and think about innovative solutions around that. Paragon chose us as a company because, without doubt, we've got the market-leading product in Fusion Cross, and I really think, as well, they were looking for a partner that could work with them and understand exactly their requirements and tailor solutions around that.
The Fusion Cross is a unique machine in the marketplace. It's really a game changer. It's new, it's brand new, it's a ground upwards build, and you can trust that it's been built properly and it will do exactly what it says on the tin.
So Paragon have been fantastic with us. We couldn't have hoped for a better partner.
I think it's important to say that it's vital to the success of this programme to have a professional relationship, but that doesn't detract from the personal relationship that can often develop.
Right from the start, the project kicked off. They gave us access to the building, they gave us a project room to work in, they gave us all the contacts that we needed. It couldn't have been any better or easier to work with. We've got a highly skilled team, an experienced team. The guys take time and care to ensure that the machine is completely level when it's installed and follow the full installation process end to end to make sure that everything's accurately in position.
The installation has been really first class. Everybody's done exactly what they said they were going to do when they were going to do it. So as an installation, I'd say it was first class.
I think when we fire Fusion up, every customer's impressed with the speed that it runs at, its reliability.
To use the word game changer probably doesn't do it justice. Typically, mailing machines in this industry will run in the region of 10,000 an hour. Here we're seeing 20 to 22,000 repetitively. I think it's important to say that if you are looking to partner with somebody, you can't discount BOWE.